Hi everyone, this is Soumya this side. Welcome back to another video in my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about top 10 companies that provide permanent work from home opportunities for its employees. All the companies that I have mentioned in this particular list are remote first companies. Now, before starting again, just like the other videos, the like target for this particular video is 1.5 thousand likes. So go ahead and hit the like button and smash the like target. And when you are at it, subscribe bhi kar lo yaar. And one more special announcement, I am going to come live on YouTube this Saturday at 10:30 p.m. as was the time selected by you guys in the community section. Stay tuned and definitely join in. We will have a blast. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10 is Uran. So Uran is a B2B marketplace which was founded by ex-Flipkart employees. It used to give permanent remote opportunities even before work from home was a thing. Uran typically tends to hire remote software engineers and is probably one of the first companies in the country to do so. Uran, just like any startup, has a lot of good greenfield opportunities and projects in it. However, akin to any startup, work-life balance थोड़ा खराब है. Apart from it, their compensation is generally base heavy. उसके साथ साथ they also give you ESOPs. So for those of you guys who has not watched my ESOPs video, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it above or give it in the description below. Go ahead and watch it, and I've explained everything there in detail, and it will be a good watch. Now, as mentioned in that particular video, Uran gives ESOP at a strike price of 0, which essentially means that all the shares that they give as part of ESOPs, you get direct access to it without having to pay something to the company. Definitely, Uran has a huge stock upside associated with it. However, one thing to note is that the time it takes to IPO will be huge. Here the hierarchy is pretty flat and you get direct access to co-founders, which means if you do good work, if you are hardworking enough, you will definitely get the required visibility. The growth factor is tremendous. Definitely a good company to check out. The compensation offered by Uran sometimes also depends upon your previous compensation, but in general, it is definitely at par with that of Flipkart. In fact, even more at times. Number 9 is BrowserStack, another Indian startup in this particular video. Definitely a good thing is going on with the Indian startup ecosystem where more and more companies are realizing that remote is the future. BrowserStack has recently gone completely remote. Before that, though, they were located in Mumbai. BrowserStack is a cloud-based web and mobile testing platform that gives the developers the autonomy as well as the ability to test their applications, to test their websites on a plethora of devices, on a plethora of operating systems, completely on demand and with a single click. Definitely, I personally have extensively used BrowserStack when I was working in the Isha, and a thumbs up from my side. You will get good amount of work. It being a startup, the exposure is also good. However, BrowserStack has expanded globally and has many offices outside of India as well. Its major tech center is still located in India. From a compensation perspective, however, BrowserStack does not pay as high as the highest offers that are present in the country. However, the compensation they pay is still competitive and somewhat decent. They do boast of amazing work-life balance. Number 8 is Slack. It is primarily located in Pune. It's not technically opening an office when you acquire a small company and convert it into Slack, but it is what it is. Slack offers amazing compensation. Dare I say, it rivals the best out there in the industry. The work-life balance that Slack has is, in one word, amazing. Probably मैं तो इतना कह सकता हूँ कि इस लिस्ट में सबसे बेस्ट अगर work-life balance किसी कंपनी का है, वो Slack का है. Apart from going a remote first, which Although it is a remote first company, it doesn't mean कि इनकी offices उड़ गए हैं. They will still have offices, but they will run at a reduced capacity to cater to different needs that different people might have. One cool thing or a different thing about Slack is that their interviews generally are less on data structures and algorithm and more on the actual things that you will be doing as a software developer. Quite similar to Gojek and Twilio. By the way, if you do want to know about my detailed interview experience as a software engineer 3 in Twilio, do comment down below. I'll make a video on that. The interview structure at Slack looks like as follows. They have around 3 to 4 rounds, with one round being a code review round where you actually review a piece of code that they share with you. Another round is basically an architecture design round wherein it's similar to a system design round based upon if you are applying for a software engineer or senior software engineer or even higher role. It can be limited to low level design or might snowball into a high level design kind of a discussion. Third round is a hiring manager round, which generally revolves around the projects that you have done or the work that you have done. And another round is the behavioral interview, which has become an integral part of interviewing of late in most of the companies. As you see, they have very less dependence on data structures and algorithms. So if you are someone who is or who does not want to go through the data structures and algorithm kind of interview rounds, then Slack might be a good company. Number 7 is VMware. VMware is an American cloud computing and virtualization technology company headquartered in California. In India, its office building is present in Bangalore. However, this company has also gone completely work from home. So even after pandemic ends, your work from home will still remain. There are a host of benefits that VMware offers. For example, as a gesture of employees working from home, they have given their employees up to 30,000 rupees on reimbursements on purchasing any item related to work from home. Apart from that, all the standard benefits are present here. Along with it, there is another additional benefit of well-being allowance, which is approximately around 60,000 rupees every year, which you can reimburse for your mental, physical, emotional, and financial well-being. One con, however, about VMware is the type of work that you will be doing. It is definitely a very niche category of work. It does not mean that you will do bad work, not at all. You will definitely do good challenging work, and there are like many new projects that are coming up out there. However, the scope as well as the type of project is extremely limited to a certain domain. Number 6 is Indeed. अभी Indeed के बारे में तो किसने नहीं सुना होगा. It is definitely one of the good companies out there that has amazing pay as well as great work-life balance. The product in which they are working is also extremely domain specific and the exposure is narrow, which means you will definitely be challenged there, but the type of work and the technologies that they are using will definitely be domain determined. Indeed, simply put, is a job search portal just like LinkedIn. However, it does not have the social media aspect of LinkedIn associated with it till now. Indeed is located in Hyderabad. Before pandemic as well, they had pretty flexible policies like open PTO, which means अनलिमिटेड वेकेशन डेज, जितनी मर्जी उतनी तुम छुट्टी ले सकते हो गिवन द फैक्ट कि तुम काम कर लो. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज दैट. दे प्रोवाइड फ्री फूड इन देयर ऑफिसेज, बट हाउएवर रिमोट जब चली गई है तब फ्री फूड का तो क्या ही कहना. Indeed is probably the only company that I have seen till now which gives out the range of their base salary in their job description. Definitely one of the better companies to work for, a good work-life balance and decently good challenging problems that you will be solving in this company. I really hope that you are liking the content till now. If you are, then hit the like button. The like target is 1.5 thousand likes. Go and smash it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And this is my Instagram account. Go there and follow me and we will have a blast there as well. Number 5 is GitHub, a source code management and code collaboration platform. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. सिर्फ यही नहीं, GitHub Copilot के बारे में भी पता ही होगा. The AI based pair programming buddy जो आपके लिए आपका कोड लिख देता है. So if you want me to review that, then comment down below that as well. I will be more than happy to do it. GitHub is owned by Microsoft. However, it is still an independent company, just like LinkedIn. It's just that parent company Microsoft hai. And the policies at GitHub is much better than that of Microsoft. Case in point being going remote first. However, GitHub is still located inside the Hyderabad campus of Microsoft, जो कि बहुत बड़ा कैंपस है. लाइक लिटरली एक शहर बसा दिया है वहां पे. जब मैं हैदराबाद वापस जाऊंगा, डू कमेंट डाउन बिलो if you would want me to make those vlogs and share it with you guys. I will be super happy to do it. The tech stack in GitHub is predominantly Java based, unlike the C# based tech stack at Microsoft. So जिनको Java पसंद है, GitHub can be a very good company to work at. The pay at GitHub is completely similar to that of Microsoft, and work-life balance is also amazing. Number 4 is Cohesity. Cohesity is a California-based IT company which provides systems, which provides softwares for IT professionals to back up, manage, and gain insights on their data across different systems, platforms, and cloud service providers. In India, it is primarily located in Bangalore and Pune. From a compensation perspective, Cohesity provides a very good compensation. They also give out huge amount of ESOPs. Everything is not good in this particular company. Case in point being its work-life balance. That is said to be bad because it's a very fast-paced environment where you will definitely be working on a lot of different things. The type of projects that you will get is truly amazing, along with the tight deadlines that you will get to complete them. One letdown of this company though is that for freshers, generally the pay to premier institutes is higher than that to non-premier institutes in this particular country, which is a bummer. Number 3 is Atlassian. Abhi Atlassian and Atlassian के products के बारे में सबने सुना होगा. Atlassian is primarily located in Bangalore in India with its offices all across the world. From a work-life balance and employee benefit standpoint, it is one of the companies which is in the forefront. Definitely amazing work-life balance with good amount of work you will receive here. The pay for the freshers is one of the highest in the country. However, from SDE2 onwards, the pay typically decreases with respect to the market. Atlassian is notorious in not negotiating at all. The only way in which you can expect to increase your offer from Atlassian is by actually putting out counter offers. उसके बिना दूसरे ऑफर के बिना आप Atlassian से पैसे नहीं बढ़ा सकते, वो नहीं बढ़ाती है कंपनी. One more disclaimer, the next company review will be of Atlassian, so stay tuned for that. Number 2 is Coinbase. It is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in US who has recently opened its office in India. Coinbase is completely remote. It's a remote first company and hires only for remote positions in India. One of the major pros of Coinbase is that it has fixed salaries. It doesn't have salary ranges. Most of the companies have a certain range of salary of compensation for a particular role. In case of Coinbase, there is no range. There is just one set of salary that you will be offered no matter what your experience if you get selected for a particular role, no matter what your previous compensation is. They do not entertain negotiations, and the stock that is provided by Coinbase is only provided for 1 year, which is different than what other companies provide, where stocks are given for 3 to 4 years. However, the next year you will get stocks, you will get bonus on the basis of your performance throughout the year. Coinbase is notorious to have extremely bad work-life balance, and it has very fast-paced environment. It is a good company with extremely high compensation, completely remote environment, not remote first as well. It is completely remote, but a bad work-life balance and a very fast-paced culture. It is hiring across all levels right now, and is expected to hire around 200 people right this year. So go ahead and apply for all the open positions that are present in their career website. Number 1 is Confluent. Confluent has built an online event streaming platform for enterprises to get access to their data as real-time streams. It has amazing work-life balance, great company culture, friendly environment, amazing greenfield projects for you to work on, good growth opportunities, and very good compensation. Definitely rivaling the best in the country. All in all, from all the perspectives, you can say Confluent definitely checks almost all the boxes that are out there. It recently had its IPO and it was a resounding success. You will be working on large scale distributed systems with huge terabytes of data and amazing scale in this particular company. So definitely if you are someone who is looking out for such type of work along with it being remote first, Confluent might just be the best place for you. I really hope that you liked the video. If you did, then hit the like button. The like target for this video is 1.5 thousand likes. Go there and smash it. Comment down below what different kinds of video you would want me to make. I'll gladly make them. And subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Do remember one thing. I am coming live this Saturday at 10:30 p.m. So stay tuned for that. Do join in. We will definitely have a blast. This is Soumyajit bidding goodbye. Das Vedanya.